Alright, microphone's on, camera's on. I'm going to show you how I use my router sled. I've pretty much got this flattened up. The purpose of this whole contraption here is to flatten a slab. Alright? This is an end grain that I'm cutting, but it's too wide to go through my planer anyway. I wouldn't want to put end grain through the planer. I've tried it. I didn't like the result. A lot of people do it and it works out just fine, but not me. So I made this table. This table's perfectly flat. I coated it with epoxy resin, and in some places it's about 1/8 of an inch deep, and in other places, as you can see, it's bare wood. Be that as it may. I'm using a rigid 2 horsepower fixed base router. I've got a 2-inch spoil board bit, carbide. Okay. I'm taking off 1/128th inch of material per pass. Alright, so we're going to go over this cutting board one time. I need to adjust my depth from the last cut, so we'll adjust it down 1/128th of an inch, and get my cords discombobulated here. I'll lay that right up there. I think I like that better. And might even clamp it in place. Nah, I'll just leave it there. Ought to be alright. And I'll loop it around this down here. Yeah, that'll hold it out of the way a bit. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to move my sled over. So I'm taking a little bit of a cut right here. Turn this on, let it ramp up the speed. And just push it sideways. No downward pressure, just side to side. Move it over. Take another cut. So little material that it doesn't heat up. Just glides right across, nice and easy. Just like that. Paste wax on your surface, and things will glide very easily. A little bit of tear out, not worried about it. The sander's going to fix that. And the final flattening of this cutting board is done as far as the router is concerned. The rest of this is just sanding. The edges look rough. Yeah, they should be. End grain. You're going to tear some stuff out. But all this will be trimmed up. All this will be trimmed up. Same thing here and here. And once I get it trimmed up, it'll be ready to go in the oil bath. Mineral oil, food safe, same stuff they sell as laxatives. Of course, you know, a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people think they've got a better way. And they might have a better way. Who am I? Excuse the noise, I'm just getting some... I just like to blow things off every now and then. You know, blow off the dust, blow off my obligations, blow off all sorts of stuff. So anyway, that's that. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Not sure what I'm going to videotape next. Might be the sanding. Might be routing the juice groove. Might be trimming it up. Might be doing the seasoning on the board. Hell, it might be all of that. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye.